Hey, this is Alexandria Benson, and today we will be exploring assessment tools using screencasting. I reviewed two formative assessment tools, and these two tools are Nearpod and Edpuzzle. So let's get started. Nearpod has so many interactive features that allow teachers to customize presentations and assessments for their students. The session reports provide assessment data for whole class and individual students. Pre-made lessons are available and can be easily edited. So let me show you around. I absolutely love Nearpod. I'm a third grade teacher and we are about to start fractions. So I already have my topic up here, fractions, and I'm going to press enter. And here are all sorts of lessons for fractions. Now, since I teach third grade, I might want to go ahead and filter and put third. And you can also filter by subject. So here are fraction lessons for third grade. So let's just look at this one. Preview. Okay. So it looks like it starts off with a video, and their videos are really great. They align well to what you are trying to find normally. Let's see. So these are all lessons for Nearpod. Let's look at fractions on a number line. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to my lessons. And I'm going to hit preview. Okay, so it starts off with just information. Apparently this is an exit ticket. Goes over the learning objectives. And guys, like if you ever like look at, a Nearpod, a pre-made Nearpod, and you're like, well, I like this, but I don't really like that. I love the feature that you can actually edit the pre-made Nearpods and you can delete slides, take them out, whatever you would like. So fractions are numbers on a number line. It gives you a number line. Love this. Let's create. So it gives students the opportunity to, be able to fill in. So like, of course, I would start right here. And you can, have students go in and write. That's part of like the interactive feature. I love it. If they want to type, it might not be the best for this example, but they could do 2/4 and drag it down and click. So, you have writing and typing, whichever they are more comfortable with. You can also add pictures, and students can also, erase, obviously, and highlight. So really, I'm a huge fan of Nearpod. So going back to the Nearpod lessons, okay, these are all lessons that I have either chosen from my library or I have created myself. There are videos and activities. We're going to go to the home page. These are all lessons that I have either created myself or I have gotten from Nearpod. Here's one where we were studying the Colorado River. Okay, and I was really wanting students to find the Colorado River, and they had to like circle and label it. And so they could do that with the pencil feature. So that's a little bit about Nearpod. My school has a subscription to Nearpod. So the school pays for that. However, there are different editions. The silver edition is free. The gold edition is $120 per year, and the platinum edition is $349 per year. And I'm telling you, it is worth it. My kids are so engaged. It's so rigorous, and it just introduces them to a lot of different question types, which I really like. I am going to go ahead and show you some of the question types that you can find. So there are slides, video, quiz. There's a draw it feature, which you've already seen. Time to climb is a game, matching pairs, the collaborate board. I really love this. It really gets students, collaborating with one another and answering a prompt, kind of like a discussion board, a poll, and then open-ended questions. So really love these. You can go to the Create, Interactive. Really love the virtual field trip. And there's so many that you can choose from. So that's a little bit about Nearpod. Again, I'm a huge fan of it, and I use it on at least a weekly basis. Okay, so now let's go to Edpuzzle. Okay, so this is Edpuzzle, and again, my students are studying fractions right now. So I have assigned this to my students. It's a video, and it's just kind of an introduction to fractions. So fractions, what is a fraction? This is a simple YouTube video. I did not create it. I just got it from the Edpuzzle website. And so this tool provides a way to assess student understanding while watching a video. I think that it really does create accountability, and it's a great tool for a flipped classroom model. So there are a lot of different features that I really like. First off, we're going to talk about these little dots right here. Each of those represent a question. And so as students are watching a video, they are really being forced to pay attention because there are questions, and the teachers do get updates on student progress as they, complete the videos. Another feature that I really like, I'm going to go ahead and hit play. You'll see right here it says locked. And so that's a feature that I really like because a lot of times, especially with my third graders, they like to rush through things. And so this it forces them to slow down and pay attention and watch the assignments and videos that are given to them. So I really like that feature. I really do like um, this resource because it does track scores and progress as students watch videos, and students are able to make their own videos. I'm already brainstorming on how I can use this in my third grade classroom. And I have some big ideas planned. So I really like that students can create their own videos and embed questions throughout it. And I think that it would really work great for student presentations, and it would hold their peers accountable as they're presenting, to answer those questions. So that is a little bit about my two formative assessment tools, Nearpod and Edpuzzle, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you.